Yeah, I have a background in engineering. I did my undergraduate and master's degree in engineering, and I've done a PhD in artificial intelligence. And most of the time in my career, I was a computer scientist. And I have worked in the UK, Germany, and Japan, mostly in, again, computer science and engineering department. And when I was at the University of Tokyo, I was at the Institute of Environmental Studies. So I'm very much kind of multidisciplinary. I came to Henley in 2007. And you might be wondering, what is an engineer and computer science doing at the business school? But I think this multidisciplinarity is one of the characteristics of Henley that I really appreciate and enjoy. And also Henley being a very dynamic full-service business school, from undergraduates to executive education programs that attract people from different backgrounds, not only in terms of subject areas, but also different experiences, is a very much attraction of Henley. And this can be said about both students and staff. I'm currently head of BISA, Business Informatics and System Accounting. And as you can imagine, this department alone is very multidisciplinary. But there is an excitement in working closely with colleagues from different backgrounds. So I believe this diversity is a source of new ideas and initiatives that makes Henley really strong and really exciting place to work. I have been characterizing my research area as social informatics for about 20 years now. This was based on the perspective that often technological solutions were developed and implemented without really understanding the impact on people and society. So it was to emphasize the social aspect of technology. So my research interest is in studying the interface between technology and people. Some may call it social technical view. And as you can imagine, AI is a big topic now, and interesting questions are emerging. So my background in PhD in artificial intelligence and nuclear engineering also helps here, because we are dealing with both technical system and social system, and a wide variety of subsystems. This is often called a system of systems, which helps understanding and analyzing complex and intricate relationships so that we can design better systems. So in some projects, I look into technical aspects. I had a knowledge transfer partnership project with companies developing text analytics solutions and working on research proposals that apply AI and machine learning applications for businesses and healthcare. In other projects, I studied acceptance of such technology. So how people and organizations make sense of technology and accept it, or in some cases reject it. So I'm also interested in using social technical methods to change people's behavior. This is a really interesting area, as it may have impact on health and environment. So this year, I had an opportunity to be part of the expert network on constructing digital environment at NERC, NERC, a Natural and Environmental Research Council, which also helped me broaden my horizon into the area of use of technology in a wide range of environmental issues. So I'm really interested in such multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary areas of research. I hope you can guess my answer by now. I believe the focus on people is even more important in this increasingly technological world because technology is permeating more and more into our lives. And it's my firm belief that Henley's people-focused approach is much needed to address the opportunities and challenges in this technological world. I have always been telling my students and people that we need to develop more people who understand both business and technology, especially when we like to capitalize on the technological advances. We need leaders who understand the technology as well as business. And we sometimes call it digital leadership. So the Henley's approach, which focuses on people, really fits into the agenda. And that's another reason I really like working in Henley.